guys, welcome back to my channel and to a brand new video. Right, we are going on holiday in a few days and I'm not ready, like, at all. Look at me. We've booked a last minute haven holiday and I've got the food shop, laundry, ironing, meal prep, packing and a whole lot of mum life chaos to get through, all while the kids are off because it's a 6 weeks holiday. So let's see if we can get everything done and I can do it all without going actually insane. And if you're local to me, stay till the end because I have something exciting to share with you guys that you'll want to hear about. Right, let's get this holiday prep started. Starting off with the groceries, and I have got lots of junk on this food shop because we're going on holiday and I want the kids to have a few nice treats as well. Oh, that was exhausting. Usually my kids help me, but the boys weren't up yet because I had it delivered quite early. Then I'm roping the kids into a whole house clean, going around with vacuums and wipes and just making sure that we come back to a nice tidy home. Took the kids to B&M to get some last minute treats and some last bits that we needed, and obviously they're doing their best to annoy me. I mean, yeah, I found this cute little bag as well, but the only thing that annoyed me was it doesn't actually seal, so the air's going to escape, but it is quite cute. We just need something small for like sandwiches and picnics and things like that, trying to save money while we're away. Yeah, so I think it's as good as we're going to get from here. You do have that one, and I've always got my handy little list. It's a bit battered, but yeah, if I go out without a list I will just lose the plot and buy all sorts of random rubbish. These are cute. Look at these.
Oh, let me smell them. Let me smell.
They smell nice. They look a
Wait,
hot mess.
can you put your hand in there and feel the rock?
Yeah. Oh, come on then. I've got Rio's basket.
Wait, let me try and do them.
No, don't. Oh, here we go. And can you believe it? They've actually got all the pumpkins and the autumn things out already. I had to have a little nose. They've got these tiny little glass jars for £2. I think I've already got 2 full-size ones of these, so I don't need any more. We're back from B&M and I look so tired. I've just took all my mascara off and I'm going to say hi. I'm just putting on a little bit. Hope wants to say hi.
Finger.
I know. She cut it on the hoover. How does that? Doing some chores.
There was a silver circle and I was holding it and then it was like...
Yeah. I have no idea how that happens. But yeah, I'm just charging my phone, putting on a little bit of... Does it look a bit better? I feel so drained and tired. But I'm going to get my eyelashes done, which I'm very excited about. I'm just so drained today. We go away in 2 days. Right, changed my top because I thought if I'm in a vest top, get my eyelashes done, she's going to have an eye full of boob while I'm on the table. So I have put this top on. What a manic day. Of course there's a siren as soon as I want to talk. I feel a little bit... Just had one of those days where the kids just drove me soft, ants drove me soft, even the cat has been under my feet. I'm just like, it's very, very hot. But if I quickly show you my bald eyelashes one last time, and then when I go in and I come out, they will all look beautiful. She always does such an awesome job. She remembers how I have them as well, because I don't just like mine just all the same length. I like them like a little bit longer on the ends, just to go with the natural shape of my eye. I'm just weird. I'm going to pop in now and I'll bring you with me. Okay, and as you can tell, I was completely overdue at my lash appointment because of my bald little lashes. I thought what I'd do is take you guys along with me to the salon. We'll have some girly time together because I've been running around ragged after the kids, like just being a taxi, drove nuts if I'm honest. So I was really ready to have me time, and I feel like we need to fill our cups as mums, as women. Like, we have to tell ourselves that we matter too. As silly as it sounds, I just leave this salon feeling like a completely new woman. And I highly, highly recommend them. It's called Celestial Beauty and it's in Walsall town centre. You can see this lovely lady doing my lashes now. Her name's Saab and she's absolutely amazing. And she always does a fantastic job on my lashes. So I just leave feeling like a new woman. You know what I love about having my lashes done is I feel like it takes 10 minutes off my routine every day, and that gives me more time to spend with my family. Hello, I'm back with lashes. I've just got out. I think I've got to leave because of my parking. I absolutely love these. I feel like me again. She is so lovely. Lashes are normally £55 for the classic lash. She said that you guys can have, like my subscribers, my lovely lot, you guys can have it for £25. So ladies, if you want to treat yourself and get some beautiful lashes that you wake up and look like this, then you can just mention my name, Jessica from YouTube, and you can get them for £25. If you want to go and get your lashes done, she really does such a good job, and she looks after you as well. I really enjoy going to see her and leaving feeling like a new woman. Like it's like confidence, isn't it? Like I just feel nice. And I'm not going to pick them out this time because I am a nightmare for, they weren't even loose, and I was like twisting them around a little bit and just being a bit naughty because I'm a picker. I'm going to look after them this time, I promise, and keep on top of it because I just feel so nice. If you want to treat yourself, go to my lady and tell her I sent you, and you will get a massive discount as well. So, but they do always have offers on. She did say as well that you can get a free brow shape as well. So, like, it's so good. Right, I've just pulled up at home. So, I am going to go in now, get dinner on the go. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock. Oh, hold on, I've put my mic on here so you can hear me when I'm driving. Yeah, so I am going to go in now. I absolutely love them. Like that. Let me show you properly. My face is a little bit blotchy because we had such a good chat and I was crying tears of laughter and all sorts, yeah. But my eyes are sensitive and they're fine. Like, they're not like bright red or anything. They feel lovely. I feel so nice. When my face isn't so sweaty, I will show you them properly, but you can probably see. Oh, I love them so much. So yeah, I am going to go in now because I've just pulled up outside home and see my little one because I bet she's missing me. Get dinner on the go. I'm actually going to do a double batch of dinner tonight, which I'll probably show you, because we're going away in 2 days and I don't want to cook when we're away, but I still want my family to eat relatively healthy-ish. I mean, we're on holiday, so we are going to indulge a bit, but yeah. Right, I should turn the camera off. So it's back home and back straight into mum mode, cooking dinner. I'm showing you all my peppers here. Got everything laid out. I am about to cook 3 dinners. If you want some dinner ideas, this is your bit. 2 bags of chicken, 1 for 1 night. That's going to be 2 nights of bang bang chicken, and that's going to be 1 night of fajitas for when we get on holiday. I'm just going to season them all, fry the chicken, put it in there. I've got all these peppers and my new gigantic pot. It's huge. It was from a little shop in Walsall and it was only £35, and it is gigantic. Like, it's huge. Hot water ready for the egg noodles. Just going to do these in batches and put them in here and then add the coconut milk. Even though it was late when I started cooking and doing all this meal prep, I feel like this really helps future me out. And if future me is a tired mom in a caravan with 3 kids asking what's for dinner, then this is really going to help me out. And yeah, future Jess will definitely appreciate it. So if you are going away and you want to save a bit of money, some meals, put them in the freezer, take them with you. It is a staycation holiday, like it's self-catering, so I don't want to cook when we get there. So this was my thinking ahead. I was like, right, let's do some holiday meal prep. I also have to cook dinner tonight anyway, so I was stood over the stove for a while, but it was worth it. And I'm sweating. I've cut onions. I've been over this stove for, what time is it now? For a few hours. But it means I'm going to have a break and not have to, I won't have to cook either tomorrow night or the night after or whenever. I don't care. But yeah, just got to get these into here. Put all the chicken, once it was cooked, I didn't want it to overcook. I put that all in a bowl. It's steaming in my face. I'm like, get off my lashes. And then I've just charred these onions and peppers, and that actually looks loads more once you add the peppers in. I think the peppers and onions make it go so much further. Like, that'd make about 10 or 12 fajitas. So We've got the sour cream, we've got the cheese. I shall just grate it, put it in a bag, and then when we get to the caravan on Friday, if we are all hungry and we're not eating out, stick this in the microwave and it's done. What I shall do is wait for it to cool down, and I'll either pop it in a Ziploc bag and in the freezer, or I could pop it, wait now. I have some of these trays, but they're not very deep, so I'm not sure. And I think there's a lot in there. I'm just going to shove it all in a Ziploc bag. I know it's not great, but it works. And you know what? We are all about making our life easier. So, beautiful, beautiful fajita chicken. I'm going to add the final bits to this now and then dish half of that up. And then half is another meal for when we're away. So yeah, that's 2, in fact, that's 3 dinners I've just done in one night. Feeding my family, eating clean-ish, like there's some cream, but yeah, all done. Final touches to this dish is spring onions and chili flakes. So, try and do this with one hand. I'm going to get chili flakes all over me. But yeah, a bit of salt and pepper, and then I'm just going to dish that up. This was such an exhausting day, and that was heavy. My back was absolutely killing me, and my feet were throbbing. But I thought, do you know what? I'm doing this for future me. You can see me, my back was absolutely killing me. But yeah, I'm doing this for future me, so I can have a break when we get on holiday, not worry about what we're going to eat for dinner. And it doesn't look like much, but it is absolutely delicious. And it's only 4 ingredients as well. It's chicken, egg noodles, peppers, and coconut milk. And there's still half a giant pot as well, so there's another dinner. I'm going to wait for all the food and the meal prep to cool down before I put it away in the fridge and the freezer. I'm going to call the boys now for dinner. Hope he's in bed. I'm not ready for mine yet. I'm so hot. Like, I'm literally sweating. I'm going to go and sit outside with a glass of wine and just breathe for a minute. My eyelashes. But yeah, I will probably catch up with you guys tomorrow and we will clean this kitchen. I'm not going to do a lot tonight because I am so tired. So, good night. The next morning I'm cracking on with some laundry and washing some last minute bits because it's packing day, it's cleaning day. As you can see, I've got all my bags everywhere. I've asked the kids to bring their bags down too, and this all on the side is going into the car last minute because I need to pack all the frozen and chilled stuff. I've got Hope's little bag of like activities and that for the car, a little picnic bag, everything that we need. The kitchen is tidy apart from the big pile of washing up. Like, I just couldn't face it in the day and someone has left a bowl there, so I'm going to wash that up before I go to bed and make sure that everything is all clean and tidy. The bins are going to be emptied, the sides are going to be wiped, and the recycling. There's also hoodies everywhere, thanks lads. The stairs were cleaned, now they're filled up of junk again. Look at the mess. Look, I went out today with no makeup on. I always think they take a day to settle. Love them. I peg my little lists onto them. I've done all this now. Just need to pack the car. And I do this because I am so forgetful, and I feel like if I get it out on paper, it's not in my head. And the boys were on the other side of this helping me. They just didn't want to be on camera, which is absolutely fine. If you don't have one of these travel potties, you need one. This potty has saved us many times in the car when there isn't a toilet around. So different with girls, isn't it? Yeah, so now we're just packing the car and this boot. We hired a car, so this isn't my car. I wish it was. It was such a lovely car, but my car would not make it there. So we rammed it full of stuff. I got my nails done at about 11 o'clock at night. Before I went to bed, did my tan, washed my hair, got ready. And then the next day, we're on the road to Devon Cliffs for our Haven staycation. I've already got a family vlog coming, so if you want to see what we got up to when we actually arrived, make sure you're subscribed because that one is coming next. And before I go, if you're local to me and you fancy getting your lashes done, don't forget to check out Celestial Beauty. I will put all the details in the description for you guys, and definitely take advantage of it because it's such a good deal. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.